I love it because it gives you that nice glisten, that nice glow, that nice shine. You smell good.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later, Clark.
Hey besties, welcome back you guys. It's date night, my favorite night of the weekend. It is date night and we are heading out and we're going to see a play, one of my absolute favorites. I love live musicals, live plays, and tonight my guy picked an amazing play for us to go and see. Of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Also, we're gonna go and have a dinner. I love date nights. Date nights are when we get to pour into ourselves. We get to get dressed up, do the hair, do the makeup, put on a pretty outfit, and remind ourselves of who we are. You know how it is as women, we give all week long. Well, if you're anything like me, I know I do, between helping my mom, my dad, family members, supporting my husband, doing everything like that. It is a job. So when date night comes, I turn on loud music, of course, and I go into my closet. I do my hair, I do my makeup, I find an outfit, I grab a bag, a cute pair of heels. It's always gonna be a kitten heel. And I bring the whole vibe together and I'm super excited. This is what the hair is giving tonight. This is what the makeup is giving. Yes, I overblushed. Okay, it was only right. I had to overblush. And now we are going to do my fragrance portion of the evening. Tonight, I am wearing a new fragrance out for date night. I have worn this fragrance before. Of course, I have a few others to share with you as well. You know, over here on this channel, I tell you, if you want your fragrances to last, if you want your fragrances to stay through the test of time, if you want your fragrances to go from a dusk till a dawn, you're gonna need to layer your fragrances. And what better way to do it than first starting with what? Say it with me, some soap and water. And a huge shout out to Victoria's Secret for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Saying that brings so much joy, you guys. I grew up and Victoria's Secret was all the rage when I was growing up. If you didn't have Paraglaze, Vanilla Lace, Spellbound, something like that, Heavenly, it was like, girl, what are you doing? So this is so special. So again, thank you to Victoria's Secret for sponsoring today's video. I am gonna share with you, I popped into the store. Let me share with you guys the fragrances that I picked up that I think would be amazing for a date night, a dusk till dawn, and one that would be amazing for sleeping in. I've been sleeping in this fragrance and it is so good and it does not disturb the peace. Okay, let me start with, this is Victoria's Secret and this is very sexy. So this is my fragrance of the evening. This is what I will be rocking, you guys. This is sensual, it's sexy, it's perfect for date night. If you need a new date night fragrance in your collection that is not going to disturb the peace, it's sensual, it's sexy, this is the way to go. Of course, I did not just stop at the fragrance. You know, I had to layer it. It does have inside of it pink pepper, magnolia flower, and rich orchid. This is a beautiful fragrance. So I've already put it on. I'm just showing you guys for demonstration purposes. You know, I'm a heavy sprayer. I'm probably gonna spray it again, and again. And oh my gosh, it's so good. It's sensual, it's sexy, it's not loud, it's not off-putting. I am going to overspray it on my body, my clothes, everywhere, a little bit in my hair. You know what I do. If you want your fragrances to last, I also recommend that you step into the body care. So this is the body cream. This is a fragrance lotion. It smells identical to the fragrance. If I was going in order and I was layering it, I would start with a body cream. I always tell you guys, fragrance is not going to support show up or show out when your skin is dehydrated, non-moisturized, and it's dry. It doesn't have anything to adhere to. So you want to make sure your fragrances are supported by the trio, which is the lotion, the body cream, the body butter, whatever it is. Just make sure you're not putting your fragrance on top of dull, dry skin. Then I would go in and take my fragrance and put it on top. That way it's securing it and it's locking in the moisture. Now when I get ready to go, I put on my jacket, I put my earrings on, the makeup is on, the lips is on. I did a new lip combo. I absolutely love it. Hello. Yes, I'll put everything in the description box. All of the products will be linked in the description box as well. But this is a lip combo for tonight. So before you grab your bag and you head out the door and it's your finale step, you want to take your fragrance mist. And this is a very sexy, fine fragrance mist, and you just want to spray it all over your body. This is a fragrance mist, also helping to lock in the scent and to just keep it going. You want to layer your fragrances. That's how you get them to last. 1, 2 is not enough. Layer your fragrances. And you know what I do? I spray it from head to toe. Now this is not a hair mist. This is a fine fragrance body mist, so spray this on your body. This is my fragrance combo of tonight. I am going to mix it with something because you guys know how I do. I love mixing my fragrances, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. I also picked up Very Sexy Blush. This is one that I went in store, I sprayed it, and I was like, oh my god, this smells so good. I absolutely love it. Can you guys already tell I have a little dent inside of the bottle? I've been sleeping in this. I've been wearing this. This is an easy reach. This would be perfect for a day date, an afternoon date, lunch, coffee, girls' night out, a brunch, a tea, a shopping event, anything of the sort. It's really pretty. It's got hibiscus in it. You get the hibiscus, you get honeysuckle nectar, you get blonde woods. It's really good. I love this. At the end of the day, I'm just gonna have everything on. Y'all already know how I do. But this is really good. It's very soft. It's very pretty. It's very feminine. It's very girly. It's just right up my alley. It's in my soft girl era of where I'm at in life right now. So if you have not checked out Very Sexy Blush, this is another one. Get on your radar. 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend. I absolutely love that one. So another one that I have been sleeping in, you guys. I cannot stop sleeping in this. When I popped into Victoria's Secret, I put this one on. There were a few others, but this is the one that my heart gravitated towards. When I tell you I haven't had this fragrance for 3 weeks, I haven't had it for 3 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks. I don't know. I have gone through it because I have been sleeping in this every single night. It's comforting, it's cozy, it's sensual, it's romantic, it's soft. It's where I am when I'm cuddling and cozied up with my guy, or even if I was sleeping alone. This is something that I would sleep in, and this fragrance is called Bare Suede Vanilla. Do you see the dent in here? Do you see the dent in here? This is how much I've gone through in probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks time, because I just keep reaching for it like crazy. This is so good. It's sensual, it's sexy, it's vanilla. It's just really, really good. And it's got depth in it. It doesn't feel like a candy, playful, you know how some vanillas can be very candy-like, overly sweet, headache-inducive. It doesn't do any of that. It knows the assignment. And it shows up and shows out every single time I wear it. And I absolutely love this fragrance. Like I stated, this is Victoria's Secret, and this is Bare Suede Vanilla. This vanilla is just got a little bit more than just your typical average run-of-the-mill vanilla. It's a little bit sensual. It's wild saffron, sandalwood, creamy vanilla. So it's got depth. That creaminess from the sandalwood just makes it a little bit more sensual in my opinion. And of course, y'all know I didn't stop there. I went in with the whole entire line. I also picked up the Victoria's Secret's Bare Suede Vanilla. This is our fine fragrance lotion, so I picked that up as well. It's very rich, very creamy to the touch, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, this has been my fragrance combo that I have been sleeping in. At the end of the day, like I said, I'm gonna have all this on because we refuse to be ashy over here. And then, like I said, when layering your fragrance, you don't want to stop at just a fragrance or just a body cream. If they have the body fragrance fine mist, get that as well. And so I picked up this one. So like I said, you would just go ahead and spray it right on top. This is what we call layering. Now, I will give you another tip. If you are wearing something that's not going to stain, something that's not silk, that's not satin, especially if it's cotton, go ahead and spray your clothes as well. Like I said, you guys, when I'm done, I'm gonna have on everything, but I want to show you guys. Go ahead and spray your clothes as well. This blouse is not gonna stain. I'm wearing this cami, but I'm also gonna put like a blazer over it of some sort, like a waist blazer. And then I would spray my, you know, my whole entire body, my shirt down by my ankles because my heels will be out. I'm also wearing like a sandal wedge kind of heel, so that's gonna be out as well. Or I might wear like a kitten heel. Pick somebody else and mind your business. Now, you also know that when it comes to a glitter and shine moment, I'm gonna do it every time. I am going to glitter and shine every time. So I did pick up the shimmer fragrance mist as well. This is Bare Vanilla Shimmer. And I thought it was going to be like a pour out and put on you, but you guys know it's a spray. So you can literally just spray the shimmer on you. We love that because then I don't have to get my hands dirty. This is the best way to get your fragrances to last and stay all day. You wanna smell good from head to toe. Now, don't be shy with your fragrances, you guys. When you're spraying your fragrances, when you're applying your fragrances, spray it like you mean it. Spray your fragrance. That way you get the best longevity from your fragrances. All of these fine fragrance mists, shimmers, body lotions, fragrances can be shopped at Victoria's Secret. All of the links will be in the description box below. So if you want to pick something up, you can shop it right from the links. All of the information will be linked in the description box below, along with links for you to shop as well. All right, you guys, let's head out for this date night. Let's finish bringing this look together. I move on.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. here in this room. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
I don't know if you guys are like this, but I'm like this, where I'm out and before the meal comes, I need a little something, and I've been, you know, cutting back or what have you. So I was telling him, like, before the meal comes, like, I need a little something, right? You guys, look what he brought. Do you see this? A little garlic butter and literally 3 chips, like bread to go with it, like a baklava. Okay, I made that up, go with it. This is where you know the service is amazing. I absolutely love it.